Hey everyone, Minnie's Handbags here and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here or a returning viewer and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It's absolutely free to you. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to another bag reveal. All right guys, so this is going to be another birthday bag reveal for you guys. I am filming this video on July 30th, which is a Wednesday. I'm not sure when you guys will see this video. Now, this particular bag reveal I am super excited about. It is from Michael Kors, but y'all know your girl love a good backpack. And Michael Kors recently had their back to school sale going on their backpacks. And when I tell y'all, I got me a phenomenal deal on these backpacks, y'all. Like we're gonna talk about it real quick. So if you're not familiar with Michael Kors VIP program, if you sign up for it and you get X amount of points every single time you either purchase a bag, I think you get a point for every dollar you spend. Plus, if you do a bag review or rate your purchase with them, you get points for that. Now, once you hit a certain level, like the Kors VIP, for your birthday, if you signed up, registered your birthday, you get a $50 gift card. Now, mind you, I have been purchasing from Michael Kors for a few years now and did not realize this until this year, that I have actually been getting a $50 gift card that your girl wasn't using, right? Shaking my head, y'all. Shaking my head. Like, how the hell I did not know about that? And it is so crazy because I'm not going to say I didn't know about it. I just didn't remember. Because when did I first hear about this? This was on my girl's Miss Percival's channel. So shout out to Miss Percival because she is a true Michael Kors addict. I absolutely love her channel and the bulk of her bags are Michael Kors. And I remember she mentioned that on her channel and she had talked about her birthday gift card from Michael Kors. And I guess I just forgot about it. So the last couple of years, my birthday gift card expired. Well, this year when I was in the Michael Kors outlet in Myrtle Beach, when we were out of town for our anniversary, the sales associate asked me if I wanted to use my $50 gift card. And I was like, my $50 what? She was like, yeah, you have a birthday gift card from Michael Kors for $50 since you're part of the Kors VIP and you've already earned so many points. I was like, oh, say less, right? So I was like, no, I'm not going to use it on this go round. I'm going to wait. So I'm glad that I waited because I knew my birthday was coming up. And sure enough, when I went to Michael Kors recently, they had this sale going on for back to school with their backpacks. So this just worked out in my favor, y'all. Now, if you watch my last unboxing that I did from Michael Kors with my Morella tote, what I didn't mention was when I returned the large zip around wallet, I end up getting a gift card for the wallet. Instead of getting like putting it back on the card or whatever, I just got a gift card. And the gift card was for like 50 something dollars. Plus I had my $50 Michael Kors. Plus there was an additional percentage off on the backpack. So when I tell y'all, I was able to get all these things that y'all about to see in a minute for $100. So let me show y'all what I picked up, okay? Because y'all, I'm excited. Y'all know how I go about backpacks, so we're gonna get into it. But that's how everything looks in the bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull out the SLG first. All right, guys, so y'all let me know real quick before I open this. But let me know down in the comments if you have to have at least one matching item for your bag. All right, so the first item that I picked up was a matching wallet. All right, so this is the Jet Set Travel Medium bifold zip card wallet in the color vanilla. Y'all, I love this color. Do y'all see this? This color combination is just so gorgeous from Michael Kors. I didn't think that I would like this light color, but y'all, I am so in love. Like, I need to get me a couple of bags in this color. Like, this color is just so, so, so gorgeous, y'all. So, yeah. I got the wallet. All the hardware on here is in gold. The Michael Kors logo is also in gold as well too. So this is my favorite style wallet from Michael Kors as of right now, y'all. So I had to pick this up. And this is a newer style from me from Michael Kors, but this is the Jaycee Backpack, and this is the medium one in the vanilla. And y'all, I am so here for this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, while I'm unpacking this, guys, this backpack reminds me of the Coach Court backpack, minus the fact that it doesn't have the pockets on the side like the Court backpack, but it does have the dual zippers here on the front, as you guys can see, and it also has the zipper compartment, a smaller zipper compartment on the front as well too. Now, all the hardware in here on the bag is in gold. The zipper pull is in gold. It says Michael Kors on it. It has the Michael Kors logo here on the front. I am absolutely loving this vanilla and tan color as well. So you do get a smaller zip compartment here in the front. It does have gussets here on the side to keep your items from falling out. And then you do have another front compartment here. All right. And in this one, you do get a zipper compartment here on that back wall, and then there are no slip pockets on that front wall. And then this is the tag for the bag. So let's get into the main compartment here. All right, and as you guys can see, that main compartment is pretty big. Right, so you don't get any zipper compartments or slip pockets in the main compartment, but that's absolutely fine because, like I said, this backpack already comes with a lot of organization anyway, so I would definitely have enough room to do the pouch system. So on the back, you do get the signature print here on the back, and you do get the buckle detail in here as well too, where you can adjust it as well too at the bottom. Now, it is not detachable from the bag. And then I also like the fact that this does come with a top handle as well too. So there goes my top handle. So if I wanted to, I could carry this by the top handle as well too, guys. So that is backpack number 1. Okay, so this backpack is not new to me, but the size is. And this is the Rhea backpack in the color Dragon Fruit. I already have SLGs in the Dragon Fruit from my duffel bag that I have from Michael Kors. I do have it already in the extra small size, and y'all, I really wish Michael Kors would make one that's like in between the extra small and the medium. Like, give me a medium. Because I think that would be the perfect size for me. Now, these backpacks, of course, will probably be more so for traveling because they are a little bit bigger than the ones that I would normally wear as everyday backpacks. But I may still even try these out as everyday backpacks and let you guys know how I like or don't like it, okay? Now, all the hardware on this one is in silver. It does have the Michael Kors signature logo all over the bag. If you're not familiar with the Rhea, it does have the 3 compartments. Now, one of the things that I'm not crazy about is this front zipper compartment down at the bottom. Now, this one is a lot more looser than the one that's on the extra small, because the one on the extra small, I don't even know what the point of that zipper is because you can't really use it. But this one is a little more looser, so you probably can fit a little more items in this particular front pocket than you can on the extra small. So I'm loving the fact that this is giving more room so that you can fit some flatter, thinner items in here. And then you have the larger front pocket here. Now this is more or less for when you have thin flat items, like say if you wanted to store your iPad or Kindle in this front part, you can, or if you want to put your planner in this front part, you can do that as well too. And then of course you get your larger zipper compartment here as well. Now, as you can see, the inside of this is a lot larger. You get a whole lot more room. Now, you do get a back zipper compartment on this back wall right here, and it looks like it's at least halfway the length of the bag. And then on the front wall, you don't get any slip pockets on that front wall at all, guys. Okay, and then I'll just show you guys the tag for the bag as well. So that is the tag. All right, so this is just what the back of the bag looks like. Pretty much the same as the Jaycee. You got the buckle detail in here on the back, and then of course it does come with the top handle here as well too, so I can carry it as a top handle if I wanted to do that as well. And then let me pull out my SLGs for the dragon fruit. This is the set for the dragon fruit. So I already have the wallet, and I also have the wristlet. So if I wanted to use this in the backpack, I could do that as well too. Now I will be picking up a matching wristlet for this one soon. So when I do my next unboxing, I'll share that with you guys in that unboxing. But y'all, this will happen when you buy stuff and don't realize all the stuff that you buy. Y'all, don't laugh at me. But do y'all see this? Y'all remember this bag that I bought? Look what's in the bag, y'all. Do y'all see that? Why? Y'all. But this works out perfect. I'm about to take this one back. And I'm going to get the wristlet in place of this. So that was your girl's haul. If you guys are looking for some really cute backpacks for back to school, make sure to go check out Michael Kors, because like I said, right now they do have their backpacks on sale. The Jaycee and the vanilla, the sale price was $99, and then with the discount it went down to $57.39. And then the Rhea and the dragon fruit, the clearance price was $86. And with the 15% off, it went down to $49.86, guys. And my total with my birthday gift card as well as my gift card for the wallet, it was a total of $57 is what I paid for both backpacks together. So yeah, definitely check out Michael Kors if you are looking for some really cute backpacks for your kids to go back to school in. And let me know down below if you have either one of these backpacks in your collection, guys, which is the Rhea or the Jaycee. Make sure that if you guys are not yet already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, because it's absolutely free to you. And also make sure to go ahead and like this video as well as share it. Leave your comments down below. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies on my next video. Bye.